What is the Fibonacci trading strategy? In the Fibonacci number sequence, each number is approximately 1.618 times greater than the preceding number. This 1.618 ratio, also called phi or the golden ratio, mysteriously appears frequently in the natural world and trading. The Fibonacci sequence has been translated into an investment strategy which can provide objective reference points. According to the strategy, a simple mathematical formula can be used to find the new support and resistance levels after a significant up or down price movement occurs. These levels are applied by marking the 23.6%, 38.2%, and 61.8% ratios between the high and low points in order to produce a grid, and used to identify possible price reversal points. To learn more about Fibonacci and other investment strategies, go to iFOREX.com.